So we're gonna go see the falls.
Yes, we're gonna go see the falls.
We're in Sioux Falls. We're in Sioux Falls, so I guess you have to go see the falls, right? They're supposed to be lit up at night, and it looks like they are. There is an observation tower, but I'm not gonna. I don't think the observation tower is open. But we're gonna walk down to the falls.
Those are about as big as the promenade.
Well, it's not like Niagara Falls where the lights change colors.
Ooh.
Wow, this is cool.
Yeah, look, it's right here. It's there. If you go to the bridge there, you can get them there and get them there. I want to know how they got out there.
Oh, there's a way up over here.
Is that out?
Yeah. You want to go see?
I do.
Let's go this way. do you think? You like it?
It's really cool.
Especially lit up at night.
Yeah, really cool.
I'd love to see this after a heavy rainstorm here, though. This thing's got to be intense.
It's got to be.
We're going to go over to the bridge right now. Kind of an overview.
Uh-huh.
And see what it looks like over the bridge. Again, we're in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And these are the falls that Sioux Falls is named after. And they've got them lit up at night so that you can see them. We just went all the way out to the falls. That's why I'm a little bit out of breath trying to climb back up. So this is the overview of the bridge. Give you a better look looking down into the falls. If you haven't hit the subscribe button below, please do so, and also the bell notification button below. You'll get notified when we put up future videos. And as always, thanks for watching.